Today we're checking out the Rolling Big Power tire, the Repulsor XT RX tire, for a variety of vehicles that use the 33, 12.5 R20 tires, which is going to include the Ram 1500s. These tires are a great option for truck owners who want a rugged off-road capability, reliable mud terrain performance, and aggressive styling. The standout feature of the Repulsor XT is going to be its aggressive tread design with deep staggered shoulder lugs. These shoulders provide excellent traction in those loose surfaces like mud, sand, and gravel, helping the Ram maintain momentum in demanding off-road environments. The tread compound balances toughness and grip. The specialized rubber formula resists chips, tears, and punctures on rocks and rough terrain, while also providing solid wet traction on those paved roads. This is going to make the tire a strong choice for daily drivers that also see weekend adventure use. The stone ejector ribs within the tread grooves help reduce stone retention, preventing rock damage and noise buildup over time. And speaking of noise, the tread pattern is engineered to deliver a controlled on-road sound level quieter than traditional mud terrains, but still having tough appearance. The sidewall is going to feature reinforced ribs and stand up well to rocks and debris, while offering added protection in those off-camber situations. The beefy look also gives the Ram a bold, aggressive stance. This tire features a weather-tight structure and 10-ply construction. Each tire is going to be built with a high-strength casing reinforcement with steel belts for structural integrity under heavy loads and high-speed driving. This tread compound is formulated for wear resistance and flex control so you won't get that premature wear on your tires, and the sidewall includes cut-resistant layers for off-road durability. As far as the pricing goes on this, they are going to come in around the mid $200 price range per tire. For a rugged mud terrain tire with aggressive tread, reinforced durability, and daily driving comfort, this is going to represent a pretty strong value for serious truck owners who want on-road comfort and off-road capability. When it comes to installation, this is going to get a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, but tire installation requires professional mounting and balancing, so it's probably best you just take it to a tire shop. But once they're mounted on your wheels, they deliver a direct fit for the Ram 1500 and any trucks that take this tire size. You can have them on in 1 hour or less of your time once they're mounted. No modifications needed, just ensure proper alignment and rotation for best wear life. All right, that's gonna wrap up my review of the Rolling Big Power Tires Repulsor XT RX tire for a variety of vehicles that use the 33, 12.5 R20 tires, which is gonna include the Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.